Hey, Max Keller here, Save Your Home Buyers. You might have seen some of my other videos. I work with senior homeowners and their adult children here in Northeast Tarrant County, help them figure out what to do with their house. And recently there's been a lot of demand for affordable senior housing. And one of the places that we're gonna kind of walk through here today, I've actually got a customer here, I'm gonna drop off a book, it's senior apartments, townhouses, and garden homes. And so you can get more information about these right here in my book, Home to Home, the Step-by-Step Senior Housing Guide. Ooh, Amazon, it's always a good day. Hey. So what are these, buildings? What are they? So check them out. You can kind of see what they look like here. Okay, very cool. And so what these are is they're similar to age-restricted communities, but they have just a little bit less amenities. So this isn't like independent living where it's you got shuffleboard and all these like games and a huge like center. It's more just smaller apartments. These are townhouses and these are and garden homes in this subdivision, and it's a really cool way to go. It's 55 and up. And some of the pros, I'm going straight from my book here. Some of the pros are, it's a great option for people who are downsizing, but they still want privacy. So you still get your own home, like these right here, these are townhouses that are connected to each other. And so you still get your own place. You're not sharing a room or anything like that. You're not sharing a hallway. So there's still a lot of privacy. Now, some of them have ADA units and or gated entrances like this one. So you got a little bit of privacy, a little bit of safety factor there. And once again, they're senior only, that's key. The cons are there's not really a ton of amenities, and not a ton of planned activities. So if you want to have that stuff, this probably isn't the right place. But the costs, it really varies. It's hard to say. I know here in Northeast Tarrant County, where I help families, it's between about $1,000. I'm just gonna stand under a tree here for some shade. About $1,000 to up to $3,000, depending on how fancy it is. And then, for like monthly rent. Now, some ways that you can lower the costs is you can get, referrals, obviously from, friends, units coming up. There's some local referral agencies that can help. If you need, help or you want to get a referral, you can reach out to our office and we'll connect you to the places that we know about. Some other things to consider is that although, the cost of some of these places can be a little bit higher than just a basic mortgage, they can be similar when you factor in, home maintenance and house expenses and, maybe even the contractor costs that you would have to pay for in order to get your house, where you want it to be as far as, ramps and mobility. So, just factor all that in when you're thinking about it. But, I would say that places like this, senior housing, apartments, townhouses, have some great benefits. So I hope you find a great location and enjoyed this video. Bye.